my lovelies. I'm learning how to do my own nails with practice hands, so that's why I have a mask on in my house. I'm not trying to be super duper safe. Um, okay, so let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the practice hand I've been using, and granted, it's not a red iguana hand, but it works. And I got this on Amazon, I think, for like $5 or $7. And what I'm doing to learn how to use acrylic, because I've done polygel before on my own nails, and of course you guys seen me on my Instagram do dip powder, but I wanted to learn to do acrylic. So what I did is I got this practice hand from Amazon, and I got some kiss powder from, like, not even the dollar store, from Walgreens actually. And this has like the worst brush in the world. Look at this acrylic brush. It's like, let me try to focus. It's so bad. Look at all the hairs coming off. It's definitely not Kolinsky, but nevertheless, it's good just to learn, because I don't want to use my brush that I paid $29 for, $30, just to practice, especially with acrylic that's maybe not the top of the line. So I do have some good acrylic I got from, I think, Model Ones. And so I will, once I get this procedure under my belt, then I will move to my $30 brush and my good acrylic. I think I also got some from, I think that's Kiara Sky Glam and Glitz. Anyway, so this is what I did. I put some tips on here, and this is my application. So I don't think that's too bad for a person that never ever did acrylic. I mean, I never actually did acrylic myself, so I don't think I did a bad job. I think it looks pretty good. I didn't have a nail for this one. I had to put acrylic over a press-on nail, but I didn't have the right size tip for this one. But I think it did fairly well. I mean, it looks very smooth. The application's smooth. Now, I haven't buffed and filed yet, but I am going to buff and file. I don't think I went over the side walls, so I'm like pretty excited about this. So I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like buffed and filed. Okay, bye. Okay, so here's our practice hand, all buffed and filed. I need to kind of practice more, I think, on the filing, but for a first timer, I think did okay. They're relatively the same length, and they're the same, the smoothness of the nail. I made sure to look down the barrel of each one, so to take out any bumps or it's too high. Some learning things, or some things I learned today. I learned that, well, let me show you this. I learned that picking up your bead is important. As you can see there, I had too much mominer, or I think that's how you say it. I had too much of the liquid, and it kind of like just made a big puddle right there, and there I had too little, and so I think I have the bead down now. I can't prescribe to any 2 method or 2 ball method or 3 bead method or whatever the case is. I just use some small beads and made sure to blend it really well. Another thing I think I have to obviously practice more is getting towards the cuticle. I'm so scared of getting, I'm so afraid that I'm going to get acrylic on the cuticle. I don't think I got close enough. But I'm, going to try again. So just the first time, first day. It's not going to be the last. I will do some, which I'll try to film too, some, what do you call it? the Acrylic nails on my own fingers. I think I can handle that much better than trying to build a nail with acrylic. So, and who knows, I may even buy a better hand too, because I don't like the way how it kind of slants down, all the fingers slant down. And I'm wondering if I put a form on, how would I do that? So, we'll see. But I'm like pretty excited. I think I did very well. I'm gonna come back with my polish and just let you see what it looks like. I'm not gonna waste any gel polish, which I do have a lot of gel polish, but I'm not gonna put gel polish on here just to practice. I think I'm just gonna do a clear coat, let it dry, and see if there's any like bumps or whatever. That's what I'm really trying to check for, because like I said, I'm learning, and you know, as I move forward, I'd like to learn all the way to make my own press-ons, and that'll be awesome. So, lessons from the pandemic. I am learning to do many things for myself. My own hair, my nails. Well, I've always done my hair, but you know, I want to incorporate, you know, different things that I love on my channel. You know, my channel is based for my jewelry store, which is DZD Jewelry on Etsy, but I also have a lot of different loves. I love nails, I love art, I love music, I love hair, skincare, beauty, and I want to add those things to this channel. So you might see a video on hair coming up. You might see a video on nails again, skincare, makeup, maybe even music and art. So you know, there are many possibilities that have opened up since the pandemic, and I think we all are learning more about ourselves and what we can and cannot do and what we love to do. So be on the lookout for that, and feel free to visit my Etsy shop. It's Etsy.com, and DZD Jewelry is my store, DZD Jewelry. And I hope to show you guys some more about myself and all things beautiful. Okay, I'll be back with the final look. Now we see, here is our hand, our practice hand, painted, shined up and buffed. I forgot the little tip right there, but overall I think I did pretty good. Another point or tip I wanted to bring up about using the practice hand, especially if this is your first time, or you are finding yourself needing to do your nails at home, you can paint with your left hand. So that way, when you move from the practice hand to actually doing your own hand, you can use your non-dominant hand and you can get some practice and not mess up your own hand, your own nails. So I think I did an okay job. I need to learn to paint a little smoother, but I am happy about the cuticle. I didn't get too much paint there. I got a little paint on the side over there, but I tried to take it off. And I'm learning cap your ends. So I think I did pretty good. I used nail polish that I got. This is not gel polish, it's nail polish from my friend. It's by the brand Pretty Woman. I don't know what color this is. I'm not sure. Let me see. I'm not sure the color. Oh, I think the color's on the box. Let me see. X and O's. Okay. That's cute. But it's a very, very pretty color. And I also use trusty old Wet n Wild. I actually use the base coat as a top coat, so because it's like super shiny. But so I'm really happy, and I hope you will follow me on this pandemic journey of do it yourself. and like, comment, subscribe. If you have any tips for me, please put them in the comments box below. And I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye.